Hello everyone. Today I am telling a story through Hasta Mudras which used in classical dances of India. The story name is The Peacock and the Nightingale. Once there was a lovely forest with a river in it. There were many beautiful flowers, trees and animals that lived around the river. It was a beautiful sight. There was also a peacock who loved dancing in the rain. It was one fine day during the rainy season, and as usual, Peacock was dancing very happily in the forest. Suddenly, Peacock thought of singing, so he started singing. But he realized that his voice was not as beautiful as his body and feathers. Suddenly, the peacock heard a charming voice. He looked up to it and saw a nightingale singing wonderfully. The nightingale also noticed that the peacock was sad, and she flew to him and asked, "What happened?" The peacock replied, "I don't have a voice that is as beautiful as my body." "So what?" asked the nightingale. "When people hear my voice, they come looking for me, but they get disappointed as I don't look as beautiful as my voice. Your feathers and body are looking good enough, and you are an extraordinary bird. You should be happy with what you are blessed with. I always thank God for giving me this beautiful voice, and I never complain about my body. You should also do the same." After the nightingale flew away, the peacock understood that even if she can sing, God has gifted him a beautiful body with stunning feathers instead. Thank you.